This well-known and much-loved Liverpool city centre landmark is being converted into a stylish collection of 1- and 2-bed apartments. Located just 500 metres from Lime Street rail station, it's extremely close to the thriving Knowledge Quarter, home to the region's fastest-growing high-value employers and a rental hotspot for highly skilled professional workers. Inside, there's a fitness studio, juice bar, coffee shop and atrium, further adding to the appeal of this building as a great place to live. Apartments start from £170,000, at least 10% below market prices, with construction work on track to start completing from Q4 in 2025. As master agents, Portico Invest can help you secure the best prices, offer help with UK mortgage lenders or setting up a limited company, provide a full property management service post-completion, and even develop a tailored strategy for building your portfolio. To get started, or to find out the latest availability and pricing, register today and one of our investment team will be in touch.